probably not going to get it back.
This is the water well. It goes all the way.
So the water well is 227 years old and 74 feet deep. It's made out of limestone, and naturally limestone will filter water, but this well is highly polluted because tourists keep dropping their phones, cameras, they want to put their husbands, wives, little children. But if you lean over far enough, you can still see some water. There is 2 feet of water left in the well. So you can take a look or take my word for it.
I believe you.
Okay.
I believe you.
We're going to head on inside, smell some rum, and learn about our production.
Yeah. This is the rum production. You can smell it. Look at the rum. This is where they make a rum. Isn't that cool?
Alright guys, so here at the distillery we produce 4 different rums and 1 vodka. Our red turtle vodka is made from sugar cane, and that makes it gluten-free. Good to know? The 4 rums are aged in these white oak barrels for 2, 3, 4, and 5 years. If you take a look on the inside, you can see that the barrels are burnt. And that gives the rum its color and a little bit of its flavor. Now, we also do everything by hand. So if you came during the week, you would see our production team of 6 people filling, labeling, and individually numbering each bottle without any machinery.
Oh.
So they can do over 300 to 400 bottles per day, but bear in mind we do not export. All of our products only sold here in the Bahamas.
Cool.
So the first one that you sniffed is the 2-year-old pale. We use it for mojitos, tropical cocktails, and lemonade. You're going to go to the next barrel. It's the 3-year-old amber. So the amber rum is used for your cooking, baking, and all your darker mixed drinks. Rum and Coke, Bahama Mamas, your morning coffee. No one's going to know. And it was in the pina colada you had upstairs.
Oh, okay. That was good and smooth.
Careful with the next one, it's a little stronger. Go ahead.
Go around, excuse me.
So what you're smelling now is the 4-year-old single barrel. It's special because it has 66.2% of alcohol.
I feel like they smell the same.
That's 132 proof.
Let
Strictly
me go
for
ahead and
sipping.
smell it.
No shots, no mixing, none of that crazy stuff.
And which one is this one?
The 4-year-old.
What this smell like? Hennessy or something or something. It smells strong. Smell it.
And the last ones are 5-year-old Buena Vista. It's equivalent to 12-year-old cognac, also for sipping. But if you want to mix it, you can do that. I'm not going to tell anybody.
Okay.
It should be smooth and sweet.
Yeah, it smells like it's smooth and sweet.
So what we're going to do is head upstairs to the store, see the finished bottle products. Then you can head over to the bar and get drinks, because that's what you came for.